We are Group 3 of Sustainable and Tourism Management students, and we are here to present about the Niagara College Apiary. This department falls under the School of Environmental and Horticultural Studies, which is led by Miley Norton, the coordinator and professor of Commercial Beekeeping Program, together with Andrew Pitek, the beekeeping technologist of Niagara College. This is a school-funded department, so all the funds are coming from the school itself. And this is because Niagara College offers some beekeeping courses. Having the apiary within the school itself is really beneficial to these students enrolled in this course. There are 40 beehives within the campus and another 40 to 50 in other yards throughout the region that help feed and ensure that our apiary and all the learning facilities. With regards to certification, Niagara College Apiary has a CSP, which stands for Audubon Cooperative Sanctuary Program. This is designed to help landowners reserve and enhance environmental quality of their property. When we talk about the scope of sustainability, the finished product, which is the honey, only falls under local category since the product is only distributed and disposed within the college retail store. The socio-ecological system framework is a comprehensive, conceptual framework often used to understand human-environment interactions and outcomes. The contribution of bee pollination in promoting sustainable development goals through food security and biodiversity is widely acknowledged. A range of other benefits provided by bees has yet to be fully recognized. Reductions in global bee population are threatening the pollination benefits to both the planet and the people. Having been said, we believe that Niagara College Apiary falls under ecological sustainability.
This is the finished product of the Niagara College Golden Honey. These are the hives and the colonies. We're at the Sustainable Tourism Office with Ms. Darin, who helped us understand more about Niagara College Apiary. We also checked out at the greenhouse, where they are selling the honey that was produced in the Niagara College Apiary. We also visited the culinary department, where they're using the honey itself as an ingredient for the students to use. According to the culinary department, they're using the honey in their menus, like the entrees, appetizers, salads, also in baking. It was a really good ingredient and healthy. That's why they are also encouraging people to use honey instead of sugar.
We do think that life on land is all about encouraging a sustainable use of our ecosystems. In fact, they contributed a lot to the so-called biodiversity and preserving at the same time for our own survival. Some of the misconceptions about bees are that they all make honey, they all just sting, and they all live in hives. But when in fact, bees are very intelligent. They can live anywhere that can provide habitat for them, whether it's in a city, a farm, or in a small town or suburb. In a world without bees, we would probably survive. But our existence would be more precarious, and our diets would be dull, poorer, and less nutritious. Bees are very intelligent, and people have applied knowledge of their mannerisms and social interactions when creating human initiatives. For example, researchers have suggested that studying the actions of bees could help experts develop emergency plans to evacuate people from an overcrowded environment. Observing honeybee dances can also help scientists, trusted source, understand where changes are taking place in the environment. The vast majority of plant species, almost 90%, in fact rely on pollinators to reproduce. Pollination is a process by which pollinators help plants to produce fruit, technically anything with seeds on the inside, so that includes things we normally think of as vegetables like cucumbers, green beans, and tomatoes by transporting pollen from one flower to another. Pollinators help plants survive, and plants produce 1/3 of our food supply by giving us countless fruits, vegetables, and nuts, are used to create many medicines, provide food and cover for wildlife, keep waterways clean, prevent soil erosion, produce the oxygen we breathe, and counteracting the global climate change by absorbing the carbon dioxide.
In sustainable development, promoting the well-being at all ages and ensuring healthy lives is essential. As we all know, honey has a lot of good health benefits. Several studies actually suggest that honey could give anti-inflammatory properties and that it contains various minerals and small amounts of vitamins too. We do think that if we try and mass-produce honey and deliver it locally and then to nearby cities, it will be a good way to incorporate honey to everyone and promote healthy lives at the same time. We highly suggest to try supplying local and small markets first and then try to go regional. A good suggestion by Lorraine Johnson and Sheila Kola that mentions something about trying to create habitat for bees in some place with full of diverse native plants that are known to provide nectars, pollen, and habitat for bees is actually a good suggestion. We could start from there and then we start harvesting honey from them. So, why would Niagara College want to integrate this? It is because we want to be productive and we want to be part of the good sustainability in the community. And we also want to promote the importance of bees because there have been some misconceptions about them. But in fact, bees gives us a lot of that we could benefit from.